it's me again. What I got today? Got some more stuff. I picked up this thing. This is a Craftsman, number 3983. It says AR. Is that AR? Stand for automatic rifle. Why am I buying levels? I don't know. Why no? Buy all kinds of shit. Why not, right? I didn't clean this up yet. Apparently there's still a bubble in there. I can't tell if there's a bubble in there. It's too dirty. The screws are all dirty. And you can't see in the side here. I don't know if this had a red line down it or what, but I don't think I have a screwdriver on my bench that is big enough. Oh wait a minute, I do have one. Yeah, here we go. Let's try to take this one apart. Let's see how they put this one together. This one's held together with rusty screws. Gonna have fun putting that in the vapor rust. Yeah, a little bath. I don't know if those are metal or brass. I'm gonna have to get some gun blue. I've been meaning to buy a bottle. This would be perfect. Blue those. Perfect reason to buy a set. All right. This is a number 3983 Craftsman Level. Yeah, it looks like that's empty. Apparently you can order a new bubble from, I think it's McMaster. So there's like cooties in this one. Let's see. This one's still intact. This one is still intact. And this one is bone dry. So I'm guessing somebody dropped it. It's pretty cool though, see? It's like, they're kind of like built like ships. They got the round like shape of a ship. And is this one bent? Yeah, you can see right here. You can see there's a slight curve in it. Right here, there's a slight curve. Right over here. Actually, somebody pounced it and probably broke the damn thing. I'll give this a good cleaning. And I'll put it back together and ta-da, I think it went out this way right here. Why am I buying levels? Why? Maybe I just don't feel level these days. Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to put this back together. That's what I got for you in this video. Just this tiny little level here. Nothing fancy. One broken bubble. I'll order another. What I'm going to do is I'll find out how much it is for a new little bubble level thingamajiggy, and I'll order a new one because I know you can order new ones. I'm guessing I just have to measure how long it is and then fight tooth and nail to get this thing out of here. But it's pretty cool though, because like nowadays you have these shitty little, I don't know if I have one, shitty little plastic things. Mind you, not all shitty in plastic. Some of them are, made of aluminum. You can buy the fancy ones, but for the most part, they don't make them like this anymore. This is really cool. I know damn well I can buff the shit out of this thing and make it look really nice. So yeah, Craftsman. Made in registered U.S. patent. Doesn't say made anywhere, actually. It's made in Taiwan. I'm just kidding. So anyway, enjoy. Thanks for watching. Next video. Stay tuned because all these videos are going to be posted probably weeks apart. Enjoy.